A father troubled by the constant quarrels among his sons sought a way to teach them the value of unity. Gathering them together, he handed them a tightly bound bundle of sticks, challenging each to break it. Despite their efforts, none could succeed. Then he separated the sticks, giving one to each son. They snapped with ease. The father explained, "United, you are unbreakable. Divided, you are easily overcome. Stand together and you will endure." Vocabulary: quarrel, to argue or fight with words. Harmony, living peacefully together. Bundle, a group of things tied together. Strength, the power to resist or overcome. Correct the following sentences. 1. The sons always helped each other. 2. The father used a magic stick to teach them. 3. Each son easily broke the bundle of sticks. 4. Separating the sticks made them stronger. 5. The moral is to avoid using sticks. Let's discuss. Is it always better to work as a team rather than alone? Why or why not? Let's write. Describe a time you worked with others to solve a problem. What did you learn about teamwork?